In a world where water is as precious as gold, ensuring its cleanliness and safety is extremely important. Today, we're talking about an innovative solution for water treatment. HOCl is recognized by the WHO for water treatment. With hypochlorous acid HOCl, our catchment and cistern bomb transforms how we purify water. This eco-friendly solution neutralizes algae, bacteria, and contaminants, ensuring your water is cleaner and safer for everyday use. Water collected in cisterns often carries pollutants, like bird and rodent dropping, airborne contaminants. These impurities degrade water quality, leading to unpleasant odors and posing health risks. Traditional cleaners often leave behind toxic residues, posing risks to both the environment and human health. Over time, leaves, dirt, and other organic materials build up in catchment and cistern systems, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and algae, which can contaminate water and clog systems. Solutions HOCl Catchment and Cistern Bomb utilizes a NADCC granular formula that releases hypochlorous acid, HOCl, a powerful disinfectant known for its ability to break down organic matter, neutralize contaminants and bacteria through oxidation. Protect your water with our water tank cleaner. Mix, and then scrub your roof and gutters. Remember, install a water diverter to keep your catchment clean. We manufacture our solution's HOCl water tank cleaner at a neutral pH, and it is therefore 103 times more effective than bleach or hypochlorite. Using the catchment and cistern bomb is simple. Dilute the granules to the appropriate concentration and pour it into your water tank. For water tank purification, drop in the recommended amount. Wait for 40 minutes. And then remove any floating organic matter. This process ensures thorough cleaning and leaves your water safe and clean. The catchment and cistern bomb offers numerous benefits: effective cleaning, minimal environmental impact, and improved water quality. Just 100 grams can purify a 5,000-gallon tank, ensuring your water remains fresh and free from contaminants and unpleasant odors. Safety is paramount with HOCl, recognized by the World Health Organization. It breaks down into harmless byproducts, leaving no toxic residue. This makes it an eco-friendly and safe choice for both the environment and households. Our catchment and cistern water tanks cleaner is supported by over 50 scientific studies and is in the process of EPA certification. It's proudly made in the USA with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We combine HOCl with other eco-friendly proprietary ingredients to enhance the effectiveness of our products. The journey to cleaner water is a shared one. With hypochlorous acid, we can make a difference, one drop at a time. Join us in embracing this green revolution in water cleaning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on sustainable living. Together, we can make a world of difference. For more details, visit our website solutionsHOCl.com.